This is instructions for a new lesson called Squares and Cubes. The first thing you're going to do is go to Start. Then you go to My Computer, Shawnee on Mr. Slate. There you will see Squares and Cubes. So you click twice on the X, click, and it will open up. You may see it open up just like mine did, or you may have a little window that says, do you want to open it read only? If you do, click on read only to open it. The first thing you're going to do is go to File, Save As. Then you're going to go to your classes folder. Third grade will be 3B. Fourth grade will be 4M. Mr. Brindle's class will be 5B. Mrs. Jones's class will be 5J. You double click on the number of your folder and then you click, add your name at the bottom. I can just put Brundage. It doesn't have to be capitalized. Then you click on Save. Then you're going to go over here to A4 and type the number 2. You skip a cell and you're going to go over here. You might have this open already, but in case you don't, you're going to go over here to the paint can. At the side of the paint can is a down arrow. And at the top of this colors, you see a dotted line. So click on that dotted line and bring it over. You're going to go back up here to the borders, which is right beside of the paint can, to the left. Click on that arrow, click on the dotted line and bring that down. So you're going to need both of them quite a bit. The first thing we're going to do is click on the one square and click on the red. Click on the next square, click on the red. Skip one, click on the next square, click on the red. Click on the next square, click on the red. Skip one, and you should see a very similarity to what we did with our blocks in our lesson. And then you're going to click on the red for 4. So what I did there is I clicked on I4, went down here to J5, highlighted it, and then clicked on it. So that's red. The next thing we're going to do is highlight. I just click and drag both of these. And I'm going to go over here to the Borders menu and click on what looks like a window to me. It's called All Borders. And you can see that if you highlight it like that, then it looks more like there's 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, and it equals 4. So now we're going to skip count on the top. 2, 4 equals 4. Okay. Then we're going to write the 3 different ways that numbers starting using 2 can equal 4. So we have 2 space shift and the plus sign. The plus sign is by the backspace key. Space 2 space equal. The equal sign is by the backspace key, but you don't need to use shift. Space 4. So that's the first one is always plus addition. Then you do 2, and the cell right underneath that would be in cell C7, space, shift X, space, 2, space, equal, space, 4. Then for the final way, we've got addition, we've got multiplication. Now we're going to do to the power of. So you're going to go to 2, and this is a little complicated. You're going to go up here to this word format. Then you're going to go down to the word cells. Format, and then cells. And you're going to use a thing called superscript. I sort of think of it as Superman because it goes up in the air. Then you click on OK. Now when I press the 2, it's a superscript. It has those little numbers that go up in the air. Now don't forget, because this is what a lot of people do, is they forget to take superscript off. Format, cells, take away the superscript, because if you forget and leave it on there, then your equal sign will be up in the air too. I'm going to press space, then equal, space, 4. So now we have completed our number line. We've ended it with a square, and we have 2 plus 2 equals 4, 2 times 2 equals 4, 2 to the second power equals 4, or you could call it 2 squared equals 4. Continue with this lesson with video number 2.